do you look? This camera.
Just look at yourself.
Oh, you look at yourself, you don't look up or...
You can, but it's gonna kind of look like you're doing
Oh,
this.
so I might look like that earlier.
You guys know that's me. And that on the left, that's my mom.
I just look at myself and
So you just
see,
look at
there we
yourself,
are. There I
okay.
am. Do you see? There you are. Oh, hi.
Got it. I
That's
don't think I want to be that
flattering.
close. Thank you.
So tonight, in a little double trouble fun, me and my mom are gonna pack up my entire apartment because I'm moving into the Sky Castle soon, and Lord knows I need help. So here is the official part 1 of my moving diaries.
All right, let's play a game. Guess what time it is? It's moving time. So unexcited. I am not ready. There's a harp in the background. It's very on brand. But what's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And guess what? We have a special guest in the house. Hi, Mom.
Hi, everybody.
We're gonna clean the house. Y'all ready for this? First of all, guys, outfit of the day. Here we go. The fashion has really been slaying. But what you guys missed is, look at this. Literally, God wants me to move out of here. Look what happened earlier. My whole ass closet exploded. Like, look at this. Is this not the grossest shit you've ever seen in your life? Ugh. Thank God I'm moving. Anyways, yeah, so that was really gross, but yeah, thank God I'm moving. December 1st, see y'all there. Like, comment, subscribe to see where I'm moving, even though if you've seen me, you know. And if you've never seen my videos, you probably don't understand why I am a fashion vlogger. Right, should we open the closet?
Yes.
Oh no, I have a lot of random shit. Specifically costumes. This is where they live. Like, I have the world's randomest stuff. So, this is not on right. So let's go through my costumes. Okay, let's just go through it and let's make a yes keep pile and a no donate / sell on Poshmark pile. 1 broken umbrella.
I guess that's
Get rid of. 2 broken halos. Get rid of. 1 glove with no mate. Get rid of. Wait, 1 black thong that I love and then need to keep, and why is it in there? This is a special occasion thong, you feel? We don't keep that. Another gold crown, keep.
And why are we keeping a 1-horned devil?
I need it. No, I don't, fine, give it away. Reminds me, I need to go to Disneyland. Obviously, I'm keeping my angel wings. Should really be my everyday outfit. Perfectly organized. This is what I'm keeping. This is what I'm getting rid of. There's no method to the madness. It just is what it is. Oh, are you excited to be clean? Yay! Hi, Boogeyman, I love you. Oh, I have to keep my witch broom. Obviously, he's coming with.
He is not going.
Some things never change. Okay, let's keep cleaning. Oh God, okay, we have to clean this out. Oh no. Uh-oh, do you want to wear a shirt? Can you? I put that on so bad. George actually hates clothes. You guys know this. George, why do you hate it? You look beautiful. Oh, should we get rid of all your clothes since you hate them? I got you such nice clothes and you didn't appreciate any of them. Woo! Okay, so furniture-wise, I'm actually keeping nothing. I'm actually getting rid of basically everything. I'm selling it all. I'm probably gonna put it just on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or something. I don't know, but if you want it, it's all for sale. Let me know. Except this. This is my favorite thing.
Literally everything is listed on my eBay. I linked it below, so make an offer.
I love this table. We're gonna get, hi. Hello, I love you. You're just gonna be in the, hi. Hi, I love you. What? You wanna be picked up? You hate being held. All right, Georgie, what are we gonna keep? Sell the couches. I'm gonna sell this. So if anyone wants it, y'all wanna pick this up, if you want it, let me know. Okay, my kitchen is chaotic, as always. Y'all know I don't really cook, so I don't really have anything in here, but quick story time. When I first moved in here, I had a Friendsgiving and we put pizza rolls in the oven, forgot about them. I didn't open my oven again until literally April. And we found the pizza rolls sitting in there in perfect condition, might I add, like just perfect. Which, I don't know what they put in pizza rolls, but I don't think those are healthy. But anyways, that was really funny. I have a picture of that somewhere. Like, this is the kind of crap that I have in here. It's deranged. This is my cooking supplies. I have random oven mitts. I have 1 knife. I've never used it in my life. Okay, so great. This is mostly already packed. Oh, you put this here last time you were here. That was nice. You're such a nice mom. Look at that. Well, God, I have to go through the stuff that's on the roof of the fridge. Go, go, go. What do you know? I have a bunch of dusty mirrors. No matter what it is, there's mirrors in my videos. Oh, I just started opening random stuff in this box. You guys, look at how gorgeous this is. I don't even know where I got this from, but this is such pretty makeup. Wow. Look at that. It's like gorgeous little birds. I need to find out what this is. This is super pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. It must have been a random PR package. Oh, wow. I need to reach out to them and ask them if they'll do a collab with me. This is gorgeous. Whatever brand this is, love you. Okay, cool. A bunch of beauty stuff. Let's see. What do I need? What do I not need? My favorite eyeliner in the world. I'm using this. K-Bang. Put it all in a Starbucks bag, the stuff that I was keeping. Well, y'all, I have lost a nail in this process. I don't know where it went, but that's really aesthetic and beautiful.
What are these things?
Oh. SAG screeners.
Fun fact, guys, I am actually a SAG actress. I'm so famous. From back in my acting glory days. You know, when I was the star of Disney Channel and New Girl and Criminal Minds. Yeah. I've lived many lives.
Random paintbrushes. God, you know you're a DIY YouTuber when you have paintbrushes in the kitchen. There's categories in my kitchen. I actually do love this game. This game is really fun. This is just where I keep all of the jewelry boxes. My house currently doubles as Amber's jewelry fulfillment center. Ta-da! Look at how organized I am. Not really, but I have all the products online and then they're all in these boxes and then I pack them up all cute. Oh, like look how cute. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Which, speaking of, how gorgeous is this?
Gorgeous oval rings, brand new on 333. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty they are. You can see they're made to look just like real diamonds. We also got, of course, the but what if it does necklaces, and I'm so excited about these. We got the new ones. A couple of them are back, so for a limited time, you can still order those too.
I gave my mom a necklace.
Oh, look how cute we are. Oh,
That's nice. Anyways, if you guys want to shop,
link below.
oh,
someone just bought. Did you hear? Okay, whoever you are,
I'm gonna send you your order for free. Thank you. That was just too funny. Good serendipity.
So I have to finish packing some of those tomorrow, but so here's some of the boxes that have been pre-packed. As you can see, they look very organized. Also, shout out to Box City. I had to pay for these, but apparently it looks really sponsored right now with all the logos. So I guess whatever.
Box City, take 5. Mom Scholl at Box City. Look at this place. I look crazy, but look at all the boxes. Bubble wrap. Great deal. Bye.
Anyways, yeah, as you can see, these are all so organized, Monica Geller status, and I would love to take credit for that, but she did that. Mom of the year. All my perfumes. Oh, this is so exciting. Where are you? You're hiding.
Oh,
Now you're hiding more. There. Stop! Look, this was my little George book for when he was
Remember,
4.
Angela made this
I
for you,
remember
right?
my sister made this for me. Look, when he was a baby. He's 4 now. You're 4. Did you know that? 4. You're humongous. Yeah, my diploma. I'm a college graduate. Yeah. Got my YouTube plaques all packed away. Oh God, this is just... This was gonna be a sentimental moment, and then look at what this did to my face. Hello. By the way, the plaque, when they sent it to me, comes with this little letter. Keep daring, keep dreaming big. So gotta get that all safe and sound. I actually know exactly where I'm gonna hang those, by the way. It's gonna be like right when you walk in, like this. Oh, it's gonna be so fire. College degree, I don't know where that's gonna go. YouTube sent me a luggage too. Isn't that cool? YouTube is the coolest. Oh! Fishing boards. You guys know these are my most prized possessions. Wait, why is my random DIY Chanel tennis racket in there? Why did that was the only box Guys, I literally made this myself. I spray painted this because one of my friends wanted to play tennis, and I was like, that doesn't sound fun, but making this sounded fun.
If you clean out my house, you will find weird stuff.
Oh my gosh, guys, look how many I have. This is so cute. I've been doing this for so long. Oh, and my first one. Can you believe that? YouTube. Start YouTube. That's what this is. That just never gets old. This was my 2022 one. Look at that, guys. We're gonna be moving soon. Oh, we got all the bubble wrap. We got the duct tape. We got all the goods. We should wear these. That's a fat mood right there. I need to tattoo this
Everywhere
on my
on
face.
my body. All right, let's pack.
Dare we look at the room? So yeah, I just gotta organize this somehow. Oh God. So we gotta go through this stuff and figure out how to pack this. You would really think the amount of times I go through my drawers and like clean them. George Biscuit. Did you chew one of Mommy's underwear? Did you do this? Naughty. You would think the amount of times that I go through and clean this out, even just in my life, that I would not have this much random stuff. But I just still have so much stuff. Ugh, it's daunting. So maybe I'll just do that later, huh? God, what's under my bed? Oh, actually not that much stuff. What the hell is this? Random wall moldings. Ah, yes, random blonde wigs. I mean, I don't know, I probably don't need this. Let's see, what of all my clothes am I keeping?
Obviously, I'm keeping my Crying Kim backpack. This is couture. Totally random side note, the coolest thing about cleaning out my closet is I'm finding random stuff that I've been looking for so long. Look at this. This is the pin from when I went to that really fancy restaurant in Disneyland. I'm gonna put this in the ballroom. This is so cute. And this? I've been wondering where this was since my stripper video. And now it's found. It once was lost, but now it's found. Was dressed, but now I'm free. Packing this in the necessities box.
I'm selling all my bedroom furniture too, so if you want that, again, let me know. Gotta organize all my shoes. Most of my shoes are safely packed away in there. Okay, so we loaded all my clothes out of the closet, mostly because it smells like toxic waste in there, and gotta put them somewhere. So I ordered these on Amazon. Let's go.
It was actively one of the worst experiences of our life. Why did it take an hour and a half?
Nice. The wiggliest thing I've ever seen. Oh, and it's bent. Oh no. Look at it leaning so far this way. Damn it.
I have to get different ones. That was exhausting. I'm tired.
Okay guys, it's the next day. I'm serving Kris Jenner realness here. My hair all tied up in my juicy jacket, but here's what we have accomplished. Dun dun dun, thus far here is the tour. It's kind of a mess still, not gonna lie. My giant mirror's been listed for sale. It's item number 2. Look how empty my wall plaques are gone. These are up for sale. Look at this, this is wild. The bar's got nothing. My giant wall panels are gone. I sold my chandelier to my neighbor and she gave me this instead. Hilarious. Nothingness in my cabinets, it's so weird. Nothing in the oven? I mean, that's typical. My plants are gone off the balcony. Oh! I hope you go to a good home. Empty ass closet, look at this. This is insane. All my empty shelves. So weird. I actually already sold the 2 giant mirrors there, so there's no giant mirrors anymore. You know, just time to start over fresh, but I'm gonna miss this stuff.
But it's never really where you go, it's who you go with, right? Just kidding, it's kind of where you go. We're excited.
A lot has been accomplished. A lot has not been accomplished.
You know what? We tried, right, Mom?
Say hi, just wave from the back. So yeah, a lot's been done, but turns out it takes a lot longer than one 15-minute video vlog to clean your whole life out. That's that.
Is that a beard?
Delusional right now. Well guys, that was the little packing video. Isn't that crazy? Mom.
Sorry.
I guess that's it because we can't stay awake anymore, but love you guys. Bye. I'm gonna let you close it out because your vlog was so good. So you can vlog the outro.
I know, look at my hair.
Just vlog the outro.
I can't do it that way. I have to be up. Vlog the outro. I don't
Just
know
say
what that
like
means.
bye.
Okay, are you taping?
It's already recording.
Oh, geez. Okay. Okay, everybody. She's giving me a huge responsibility that I can't handle right now. So, goodbye.
That's perfect. Nailed it. Get a streamy for that.